Hey guys, welcome to today's video. On this video, I am going to show you how to limit people from tagging you on posts on X. Now, go over to X application, have it open. Next, you click on your profile icon. Now, go over to settings and support. This is going to be docked like this, and then you select settings and privacy. And then you go over to privacy section, privacy and safety. You click on that. Next, you are going to notice where it says audience and tagging. You click on that. Now from this area, you can actually click on this area. I already made it to be off. You can actually make this to be on, and then anybody can tag you on photo. And also you can protect your video and your post also. So if you actually do this and turn it off, they are going to stop tagging you on photos. But then the issue is they can actually tag you on a post. So when they tag you, you already know what to do and how to remove it. That is what I did on my previous video, but you cannot actually stop people from tagging you on X, because that's actually how X works. So I hope this video is helpful. If it is, smash like, subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace.